The Sean Diddy Combs trial nearing an end. Defense attorneys today presenting their closing arguments in Combs' sex trafficking and racketeering trial. That will be followed by the prosecution's rebuttal and then jury instructions for deliberations. ABC's Rena Roy has been following the case from the beginning and has more on today's developments.
Family and supporters of Sean Diddy Combs heading back to court in New York today as his defense team presents its closing argument in his federal criminal trial. The defense hoping to raise doubt amongst the jury of 12 New Yorkers, arguing the alleged victims in this case, ex-girlfriends Cassie Ventura and a woman who testified under the pseudonym Jane, were really consensual sexual partners and not coerced into sexual performances with male escorts as they've claimed. Defense attorney Mark Agnifilo seeking to cast Combs as a self-made entrepreneur, committed to diversity, equity, and inclusion, saying he was doing this in 1993 as a 24-year-old by himself, adding, "The man takes care of people." Agnifilo pointing to Jane, saying, "I hope she's having a nice day. I don't know what she's doing, but I know she's doing it in a house he paid for." It comes after prosecutor Christy Slavic told the jury it's time to hold Combs accountable, urging them to convict on all counts of sex trafficking, racketeering, and transportation for prostitution. In her closing argument, Slavic calling Combs the leader of a criminal enterprise who wouldn't take no for an answer, saying he used power, violence, and fear, and the help of his, quote, loyal lieutenants to get what he wanted and to lure and traffic Ventura and Jane. Slavic telling the 8 men and 4 women on the jury they only need to find one single freak-off when Combs deployed lies, threats, or violence. That's sex trafficking, she said. Prosecutors showing jurors once again that now infamous 2016 hotel surveillance video that shows Combs attacking Ventura while she testified she was trying to leave a freak-off or drug-fueled sex performance. Defense attorney Agnifilo mocking the government's case, saying the only crime scene is your private sex life. Combs has pleaded not guilty to all of the charges he faces and says all sexual encounters were consensual.
Now, after the defense's closing arguments comes the prosecution's rebuttal, then the jury gets the case. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.